Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna. Today I'm coming to you with a Satmorn Makes. Satmorn Makes is created by Jillian Norwood of Jillian Norwood Designs. She has a YouTube channel here and I will leave a link in the description box below to her channel. Please go over and show her some love and let her know you like her things. If you use the hashtag satmornmakes, you can join in on this collaboration, or you can just go check out all the other makers and see what they've been up to. They have some beautiful designs with great ideas, and please go ahead and use that hashtag satmornmakes. And thank you to Jillian. So I've been working on quite a few things for Christmas next year, and some other things. So the other day my granddaughter wasn't feeling too good, so I created a iris card for her, and it just opens up and it says, "For a wonderful granddaughter." And I used this stamp here. It is a stamp by Consortium Craft, and it is CCSTMP059-bench. So the glare, but it's just little bunnies and bees. So a little squirrel. So very cute. I use that. And I will link my Cricut design space for this one. This was actually I'll just leave a link for the tutorial for this one. It has all the stuff in the description box, tells who the original creator was, and also a link to her SVG file that you can, and then I'll leave the link to that if you are interested in going and seeing that. I also created a same card for my granddaughter, and I had to send that off to school. So this one says, "The good things in life are better with you." And then let me find that. And then the inside was like that. So had the hearts. So I used for that, I used this free scrapbook.com die with the heart balloons. This is SBC-shapes, SHAPES-80. I don't know if you can order it, but it was one of the free items when I placed an order. In addition to that, I used this stamp from Global Land, and I used "The good things in life are better with you." And I used my Memento black tuxedo ink for that stamping. And then to create the doily on the front piece, I used one of these circles to cut a hole in the center of it. It was just a doily. I don't have that die because it was loaned to me from my cousin just to cut out some of the doily shapes. So that is what I used for that. And the other thing I was working on, and this is also in my Cricut. So I did not create the gingerbread. I resized it and things like that. But I created this little popcorn holder. So I will leave a link for this tutorial also if you're interested. And that will have the link for the Cricut. And then I wanted to work on some elf on the shelf things for my granddaughter. So I created this template, and it was a 3-inch circle, a 4-inch circle, and then a 5 1/4-inch circle. I just lined them up and drew them out and created a template for that. And then this is heavyweight cardstock. You could use cereal box or whatever, but then I pinned it to the felt and then was able to cut it out. So I used white felt. I used this light pink, this bright pink, a teal, and the black, plus the white for the snowman itself. And these are just from your regular craft felt. It's not wool felt or anything. It was just regular craft felt. You can get it at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But I created these little snowman outfits for her elf on the shelf. This is Brooklyn Elf, named after her. And then this is Howard Elf. Now, Howard Elf was my grandson's original elf, and me and my daughter were talking about it today. And we think he's right around 13 years old. So he's the older guy. And Brooklyn Up, we've had her about 3 years now. So those are the cute little outfits, and they are just held in place and can easily come in and out of this. Some 1/4 inch elastic. So this is 1/4 inch elastic that I used. Again, I will leave a link in the description box below on how I created those. In addition to that, for their outfits, I used template for his hat. This is a 1 3/4 inch circle that I used to cut out the circle area for the face. I used some of this mix here. I just used the holly leaves and some of the red sequins. This was a mix that came with a project with a package, and I just did not use it, so it's been in my stash. I used the little snowflakes from Michael's to add to their, she has it on her bow and he has it on his scarf, and she also has one on her scarf. In addition to that is this, it's just like silver sequence snowflakes, and that, I don't even know where I got it, but I paid $1 for it, so, but I'm not seeing where it's from, so I'm not sure, but it's from 2022, so a couple years ago. So that is what I use, and then that little snowflake is underneath the white one. So that is all I used to create them. I also created 2 swings. Now this string here is a little bit, it's heavier than baker's twine, but you could use baker's twine. So I had it in red and green, and this was also in that same collection as the sequence that I just showed you. So I just created 2 swings. This is just scrap chipboard that I had, and I covered in 65-pound weight cardstock, and then use the little puff balls from Hobby Lobby Christmas, and made 2 swings for them. And then I also did her 2024 small photo album for her elves. And this piece here is created on the Elf on the Shelf site, and it's in, you go in the kids section and they can make a card. So it's just the front of a card is all that is that I create. And you can you choose the background, and you choose your stickers and stuff like that you want, and then you just print it out. So it's just a simple book. I can add additional flips if I want, but each one of these is a pocket on the top, so you can put tags and stuff in there. But yep, this is the base for the book, so that's all done and ready to go. So that is it. I believe that's what I've been working on. So I look forward to getting back with you next week and see what else I've got done. But I had a fun time making these. I just want to get everything done for Christmas as much as I can, so when it comes closer to that season, that I am freed up to work on just craft things at a relaxed pace. I love doing it and getting it ready for her and for the teachers and stuff. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up is always appreciated. So if you're a subscriber, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you sticking with me. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button down in the right-hand corner. The bell pops up. You can be notified each time I put up a new video. As always, I wish you and your family many, many blessings. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye.